The P0700 code is not a direct trouble code but rather a generic code indicating that one or more trouble codes are stored in the Transmission Control Module, or TCM. It's kind of like a, there's a problem with the transmission, check my specific codes warning. The engine computer, or ECM, turns it on to alert you that the TCM has detected a problem and is requesting help. The main symptom is, of course, the illuminated check engine light. But you might also notice rough or irregular gear shifts, transmission slippage, the transmission might go into limp mode, or even difficulty shifting gears. If the P0700 appears, the first and most important thing is to use an advanced OBD2 scanner to read the specific codes stored in the TCM. The P0700 alone doesn't tell you what the problem is. Once you have the transmission-specific codes, you'll be able to diagnose whether it's a problem with the speed sensor, shift solenoid, fluid pressure, and so on. Be sure to check the level and quality of the transmission fluid. A low level or burnt fluid is a common cause. Also inspect the wiring and connectors leading to the transmission for damage. If left unattended, transmission problems can quickly escalate and lead to catastrophic transmission damage, resulting in one of the most expensive vehicle repairs. Driving with a faulty transmission is not only dangerous, but it can exacerbate the problem and turn a minor repair into a complete replacement.